What is up, guys? Big M here, and I'm back. I am back, and I'm waiting at traffic lights. Typical. God dang it! Just trying to shoot a YouTube video. I guess we'll wait. That's it. Here we go. And off we go. So yes, I'm back. And what is with the traffic lights? And today, pretty much was going to be a video on me informing you guys basically what I've been up to over the holidays and how I've been doing. I know I've seen a lot of support from you guys when I did release the last video I released, which was all about my mental health condition and how my mental health had been, and the amazing comments and supports. I do read every comment, and I try and either comment back or make some sort of response to every comment I can. And the comments of support from you guys was absolutely amazing. It really touched me, and it showed me that me doing what I'm doing, you guys really enjoy it and appreciate it. And it's not just the videos that you guys are coming to watch, it's actually me. I still don't know why you guys find me entertaining, but apparently you do. But I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you for that constant support and the support I get from you guys. It's just amazing. And also a huge thank you to all of my friends and family who, from me losing my job and things like that, being there to support me financially and just emotionally, because not everything's about money. Obviously, you guys know the whole mental health side. You need people around you who are going to be able just to talk. Even just being there just to talk is what a lot of people sometimes need. And I do it myself for anyone, absolutely anyone who needs to just have a talk. So if any of you guys ever want to talk or talk about mental health and you don't want to talk to someone you know because you don't want to, or it's hard for you to talk to, say, a family member, drop me a message and I am more than happy to sit and talk to you and listen to what's going on and give you any advice I can, because it's my turn to sort of give back to you guys, because you guys have shown the support to me that I would show to anyone I could, if I could. So it's my turn to give back to you guys. And if you're wondering how to get in contact with me, if you do want to take me up on that, you can either drop me a message in the comments box down below, or if you join my Discord, then you can just message me on Discord. And I am, like I said, I'm more than happy to sit and have a conversation and listen and give any advice I can. But obviously I wanted to wish hope everyone, but on a lighter note, I wanted to say I hope everyone had an amazing Christmas and also a great New Year. I was planning on hopefully getting a video out for Christmas and New Year, but I didn't actually get around to doing them. But I hope you all had an amazing holiday, and I hope you obviously were able to enjoy your holidays as much as you could. I want to let you guys know sort of what's been going on, because obviously the last thing that you guys knew is I lost my job and I was working for Deliveroo. So I have definitely stopped working for Deliveroo. I will definitely be giving a lovely review on what it's like working for Deliveroo. Don't get me wrong, it's a job, but look forward to that. But I have stopped working for Deliveroo, and as of yesterday, thanks to an amazing friend who pretty much got me a job, I am now pretty much a support worker or a care worker. I am starting on Tuesday, because I'm hoping to get this out on Monday. So when you guys are watching this, if you're watching on the Monday, I start my job the next day. which is absolutely amazing. So a massive shout out to my mate Brennan, who also has a YouTube channel. And something you guys might not know, I obviously watch a lot of YouTube, and obviously some people don't, but I do believe in ghosts and the paranormal, and I watch a lot of paranormal things. And he has a YouTube channel with a few other people, which I am going to put on the screen right now. It is Gateshead Paranormal, and I am hoping, fingers crossed, to possibly do a collab with them or go along with them on one of their paranormal events. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get that. Pretty much, Brennan, you're an absolute amazing guy, and I do owe him quite a few pints for helping me get the job. So that is going to be it for today. I just want to again thank every single one of you for your continued support. I'm still seeing the channel grow, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you guys so much, and remember, like always, ride safe but have fun.